Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. In this video, you are going to learn how to adjust tab spacing in MS Word. You can see I am pressing tab button and it is moving forward. So if I want to increase this indent or if I want to increase the tab spacing, so go in paragraph tab, click in the corner and you can see right in bottom tabs, click on it and here default tab space is showing as 0.5. You can increase it, say I am setting it as 2. So click on OK and now you can see the tab spacing has been increased. So this is how you can adjust it. You can also decrease it. Again go in paragraph and then in tabs and decrease from here. And now you can see the tab spacing is decreased. So this is how you can adjust tab spacing in MS Word. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.